Hi children, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to the learning world. So yesterday we have completed up to second question answer. Yes or no? Yes. Have you all practiced it? Have you all practiced it for 2 times? I have told you to practice question 1 time and answer for 2 times. Have you all done your homework and posted to your concerned class teacher? Yes, you have to do it. You are good children. You will do. I know that you will do. Before we start writing our classwork, first you have to take your homework book, English small copywriting book. We have 2 4-line book, one book for classwork and another for small copywriting. So please take your small copywriting book and note down today's homework. Date. First of all, write down date 22/9. Yesterday we have completed up to letters, no? Today we will write hard words. We will start writing hard words in our small copywriting book. Only 2 hard words. First one, Mumbai. 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 Second one, ears. Y not ears. Write on mother. 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 Write down today's date. Mumbai. 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 Then give space and write down one more word. MOTHER. Mother. This is for homework. After that you have to open your classwork. You have to get ready for writing third question answer. Okay, my dear children, yesterday we have completed 2 question answers. Before that I have told you to leave one line, no? So, now start writing third question and answer. First we will write question, then answer. Question number 3. WHERE. Where? Give one finger gap or 2 finger gap. Then write down next word. Does. 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 Same. Again one finger gap or 2 finger gap. Ranis. RANI apostrophe S. Ranis. Write down in next line. Remaining part of the question you have to write in next line. Mother. 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 Where does Rani's mother work? WORK. Question mark. Once again all of you look at the board. Third question. After completing the second question, leave one line. Don't write in new page. You have to continue. After first question, after answer, then you have to leave one line. Then you have written second question and answer. Again you have to leave one line. Then now you are going to write third question and answer. Okay, don't write in new pages. You have to continue. Third question. Where? WHER. Where? Give one finger or 2 finger space. Next, DOES. Does. Next, RANI apostrophe S. Ranis. Next line. MOTHER. Mother. Then give space and write down work. 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 in the lesson what we have learned about Rani's mother? What we have learned about Rani's mother? Rani's mother works in an office and she likes to sing. Yes or no? Now, what is the question? Where does Rani's mother work? What is the answer? Rani's mother works in an answer. Shall we write the answer? Yes. Look at the board and write down neatly. Answer. Rani. Rani's R-A-N-I apostrophe S. Rani's, give space, mother, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother, works, W-O-R-K-S, works, in, I-N, in, an, A-N, an, O-F-F-I-C-E, office, O-F-F-I-C-E, office. Where does Rani's mother work? Answer, Rani's, R-A-N-I apostrophe S, Rani's mother, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother, W-O-R-K-S, works, I-N, in, A-N, an, O-F-F-I-C-E, office. In the lesson we have discussed that Rani's mother, she works in an office and she likes to sing. Yes or no? Yes. And look here, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. We have learned this word as heard word, no? Yes. And W-O-R-K, work. I have made you to underline that words in your textbook, no? Now that hard words help you to write the answers easily. Yes or no? That's why I have told you to practice that hard words and it will help you to write the answers easily. Once again, we will revise the answer, question and answer with spelling. Third one, third question, W-H-E-R-E, where, D-O-E-S, does, R-A-N-I apostrophe S, Rani's, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother, W-O-R-K, work. Where does Rani's mother work? Answer, Rani's, R-A-M-I apostrophe S, Rani's mother, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother, W-O-R-K-S, works. Here you have to, here look, W-O-R-K, work. We have written work in the question and W-O-R-K-S, works in the answer. I-N, in, A-N, an, O-F-F-I-C-E, office. Look at the board and note down this question in your classwork without spelling mistakes. Now note down your diary work. 22/9/2020. First column Telugu, second Hindi and third English. Read and practice third question answer for 2 times. You have to practice question for 1 time and answer for 2 times and post to your concerned class teacher. That's all for today. Thank you.